trying to think of the guy's name if it's from North.
They launch out of Romeo a lot. I guess they could launch out of anywhere, really.
Yeah. He used to come up to Metamora.
Oh, yeah?
Steve, maybe.
Very cool. Nice.
I'd love to have one of those. Woohoo! Oh, he's having a good time.
Heck yeah.
I'd like to watch from kind of. I gotta get on your side. Holy shit!
Right?
Now he's showing off.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I'm worried about them power lines.
But yeah, he's got it. Oh yeah.
Wow.
We'll be across him here pretty soon.
Oh, he's crossing.
I'm more worried about us than him. I mean, we're way high.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's neat.
That was pretty cool. God, I haven't had one of those come by in, oh, God, years.
Now, you got pretty close, too.
Oh, yeah.